Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we will talk about how to fix Twitter sensitive content settings if not working. So if you can see some of the content on Twitter, this video will help you. We can't use the mobile app to fix the problem, so let's open the browser and type Twitter, log into our profile. Here we tap on a profile picture at the top left. We go out to settings and privacy. Here, privacy and safety. Now, content you see. Make sure you tap on display media that may contain sensitive content. Now Twitter will not hide sensitive content from your account. Now Twitter will not hide sensitive content from your account. It doesn't matter if you're using the mobile app or the website itself. Just clear your apps and open Twitter app again. If you still don't see some of the Twitter's content through the app, just reinstall the app and log in again. Thanks for watching.